Hi, my name is Sam Rao. Welcome to this sequence, which is about carpal tunnel syndrome, carpal tunnels, so that the fingers can move with all the dexterity that we have in our hands. There are 7 tendons that go through a tunnel-like structure, which originate in the muscles in the lower arm. So that allows me all the movement. What tends to happen is these tendons tend to swell, and we end up with a syndrome, carpal tunnel syndrome. It's not a disease. The remedy or the surgical remedy is disastrous, not so good. So here is what I do to keep my carpal tunnels working. What I'm aiming for is to get a right angle at the back, which means all the muscles that help me with the dexterity are stretching and working, and no swelling in the carpal tunnel. It's a simple posture. Most of us were doing this when we were kids. It's half handstand, coming up onto the knees, palms directly underneath the shoulders, toes on the mat, and I call this a shallow down face dog. If need be, you move the hands forward. Just allow that. Then put the entire body weight onto the palms. If your head is ahead, look towards the wall and work this posture. When it's enough, onto the balls of the feet and sit back. And you'll be left with a little bit of tingling in the wrists for a little while, because that's energy on the move. Do this 2 or 3 times a week to make sure the arms remain dexterous, so you can be able to use without any tingling in the fingers, without any pain in the carpal tunnels. So if you liked that piece, visit my website, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there are plenty more of these kind of videos that you could benefit from.